Hello friends, this is a quick video on how to convert a Word file to a PDF. It's really easy, really simple. So suppose you have a Word document example, so you just press Ctrl P, or you can go Files, Print, and then instead of selecting a printer, select Fox Reader PDF file. You can have that option, or otherwise there's another option which is, let me show you, save as. So you can save it as on your desktop as a PDF, as simple as that. So you can just create any PDF file from Word document. So that was a quick example. So you can see it loads up the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC PDF reader. That was it. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the video.